Alright guys, back in Tennessee. It's cold this morning, a little bit windy, and the wind's supposed to pick up as the day goes on, so we're hoping first thing this morning's really good, but we're just glad to be back up here. I just seen 3 does walking in, and they on their feet, so y'all wish us luck. Let's see what happens. We don't have muzzle loaders this time either. A little bit different. Slightly longer range by about 500 yards. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back for the evening. Got in here about 1 o'clock. Farmers were loading some cows, so we let them get out of here. Slipped on back here while they were making that racket, getting the cows loaded up, so I cut me some cedar branches, brushed myself in a little better, because ever since we were up here for muzzleloader season, all my leaves fell, all my cover was gone, so we're gonna sit here this afternoon and see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Dude, he's down. He's right here behind me. I got the big one. Oh my God, dude, he's down. He died like 10 yards from me. He's down. No, he's down right here. I had to just point the camera back towards the woods and hit record. I mean, I hope I got him on film. I don't know, because I couldn't see up in the woods. It was dark. But I pointed the camera towards him. I mean, I did what I could. Alright guys, just got a little bit of help out here. Come get in here with me, Brooks. We didn't see but 2 deer all evening. I was fixing to start packing my stuff up, my turn, and this thing was standing 30 yards from me. I don't know how I didn't spook him. No idea. But man, Tennessee has been good to me this year. Whew.
Most definitely.
I couldn't be more happy. Whew. This sucker here is going on the wall. It'll be my biggest 8-pointer probably. If not, he's real close. But definitely my biggest Tennessee deer. Man, I hope y'all enjoy the crazy footage that happened there, but sometimes it just happens like that.
And I get the rest of the week.
I guess I'm designated cameraman, ain't I? So I put my rifle up.
Got me a permanent cameraman for the next 6 days. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, son. He's a cool little deer. I like the little hole in his horn there.
Me too.